What's up, love bugs, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Camille Dior, and I know I've been gone for a while, but I'm back to stay. I'm back like I never left, and we got another nail video today. This is actually a packaging video that was requested a couple videos ago, and I decided to do it today now that I have my new packaging and everything I want, and I actually have time to break it down and show you guys how I do it. If you guys are new, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. You follow me on my social medias, you follow my nail page. I do make custom press on nails, as you can see, all this good stuff. But we're gonna jump right into this video. For my new packaging, I use this holographic reusable resealable bag. I got it in bulk off of Amazon. If you guys are interested in knowing all the details of where I got the products from and you guys want to see a video, just comment down in the comment section. I would definitely give you guys that video. So all of my nails are on a basic cardstock paper with double-sided tape. I only use the thin double-sided tape. I know some of y'all might think it's red shit, but it does hold the nails and it's really affordable. We are affordable until we become ballin', okay? Until we start wrecking and all that 𝐒𝐲, we're gonna be affordable, okay? Period. I'm going to add in a business card and a wooden cuticle pusher. And once I'm done with that, I will slap my logo on the back. And then at the top, I'll write in the size and the style of the nails. So if it's a custom set, I'll just write custom. If it's a small, medium, or large, extra large, I'll write that up at the top. And then I'll go ahead and write the style, either coffin, short coffin, long coffin, ballerina, etc. Let me go ahead and give you the recipe for the prep kit, all right? 1 alcohol pad, 1 mini file, and 1 tube of the best nail glue that is out there, okay? Period. That KDS glue is the best glue I have had so far that I've tried a lot of them. But it's still the best out of the best. I use that for my acrylics, and I use that for my press-on nails. And my press-ons be staying on for weeks, okay? You actually have to prep your nails. But anyway, that's no shade. All right, so I'm showing you the packaging. What I just showed you is where the shipping label will be, and that's the inside. I'm just gonna put everything nice and dandy inside. It fits perfectly because that is a pretty big mailing letter, bubble mailer, whatever you want to call it, whatever it's called. So if you guys want to actually know the dimensions and the sizes, just let me know. So I'm including how to apply the nail as well as how to remove it. And then the next thing is a thank you card. It has a promo code on there, but y'all gotta buy some first to see it, okay? Okay. And it's just saying thank you, you know, 5% off, and then with our social medias on it. So that is pretty much it for this video, you guys. I hope it was helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for my next video.